Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of the Wash Factory, changing the way people wash their cars. Congratulations to the entire team at the Wash Factory, with multiple locations in Texas, on this national honor from Best of the Best and for literally changing the car wash industry in very positive ways for consumers. If you want to see what the most cutting-edge car wash in America looks like, here it is. The Wash Factory in Texas is not your grandpa's car wash. It is different in every way. The founder, Brad Mann, and some really smart partners have reinvented the car wash business in this part of America, and they've been expanding fast. Mann is a technology guy. He spent 10 years at IBM, then started a healthcare consulting company. He always liked clean cars, and when he went to his local car wash, he just knew there had to be a better way. So he studied the car wash business a lot. He visited over 100 car washes around the country. He made a plan, and the Wash Factory was born.
So one of the things that's really different is we own our own construction company. So we have an entire team that looks at how does the customer come in the building, how do they pay, how do they get from the point they pay to the point they actually get loaded on the car wash. And there is an absolute science to making sure somebody can get through the car wash in an efficient manner so we save them time. And I don't think everybody focuses on that.
At the Wash Factory, from the point you pay, get washed, shiny, and dry, it's about 4 minutes. Awesome. But the speed is just one differentiator. The Wash Factory offers color-coded washes. The top tier is the purple at this location, which literally washed and waxed my black SUV better than I could have done it by hand in several hours. When you go through the car wash, the lights correspond to the plan that you paid for. Those spinning lights show you exactly what you're getting, unlike an old-fashioned car wash where you have no clue if you're actually getting the wax or the wheels clean. That doesn't happen at the Wash Factory. The Wash Factory offers great monthly plans as well that give clients clean cars at a fantastic value, some of the best prices anywhere. But for us at Best of the Best, we think the biggest difference with the Wash Factory is how clean it gets your car. The Wash Factory system does not slap your car like those old traditional car washes do. They use a new closed-cell foam system with literally hundreds of thousands of little fingers that essentially massage your car clean. It's incredible.
So all these fingers in here, all these paddles actually touch the car. So what they've proven is that this touches the car 600% more than their old stuff.
Another thing I noticed is how well the Wash Factory cleaned my wheels of that black brake dust that I hate. Their wheel cleaning system is just awesome. Those spinning fingers coupled with a powerful rinse does a fantastic job on wheels. The Wash Factory is developing an almost cult following. Customers just love this place.
A lot of soap is used here, whereas other ones they have very little soap, a lot of water to rinse. But when I say collapses, it actually seems like the machines actually come onto your vehicle and just gives it a good massage all the way around.
I feel like my car is almost getting like some type of massage. It's really great because it's gentle on my car, but whenever I leave, the shine is impeccable. It looks like I just pulled it off of the lot at the dealership every single time. It always looks amazing.
The Wash Factory gives awesome free vacuums that are so much more powerful than traditional car washes. They keep their lots super clean. And another thing we love at Best of the Best is that they really take care of their employees. They offer benefits, and they give a real pathway to a fantastic career as this company expands. Congratulations to everyone at the Wash Factory in Texas, an industry game changer, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for many years, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.